I know. Well, we had to park all the way up on my grass.
Yeah.
So it doesn't flood the engine.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the thing is, I mean, when that refill gets filled fully full, then it's not allowed this one to go out.
They gotta fix something.
They're gonna have to do something, because every time we have this kind of rain, we have the same problem.
Yeah, they gotta fix it.
They gotta do something.
Because, I mean, you can't get to your front porch without swimming.
No. Yeah, this one's kind of high, you know, but see how high it is?
Yeah. I mean, it's crazy.
You ready to go to something to Dan and to the office?
Well, that's why I'm taking video to show them. I mean, because this is deep.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So we may have to sow the city or something. I don't know. Well, have a good night. Stay safe. Yeah. See, this is where it's supposed to be grass, right where I'm standing.